On 21 November 2025, the world watched in shock as India's HAL Tejas fighter jet, a symbol of the country's indigenous aviation capability, crashed during a demonstration flight at the Dubai Air Show. The incident resulted in the tragic death of the pilot and instantly raised questions about what went wrong. Today on Knowledge Suitcase, we break down exactly what happened, why it happened, and what this means for India's Tejas program and the aviation world. The crash occurred at 2:10 p.m. local time at Al Maktoum International Airport during a routine aerobatic demonstration. Eyewitness footage shows the Tejas performing a high-speed pass followed by a steep climb and then a low-altitude negative G maneuver. During this maneuver, the aircraft appeared to lose stability, dipping its nose sharply. Within seconds, the jet plunged into the ground, erupting into flames on impact. Emergency teams rushed immediately, but the pilot suffered fatal injuries. The aircraft involved was a Tejas Mk-1, part of India's Light Combat Aircraft Program, an advanced, agile platform known for its composite structure and fly-by-wire controls. The pilot was an experienced test and demonstration flyer and had previously performed dozens of sorties in Tejas variants. This makes the crash even more surprising because both the aircraft and the pilot were highly capable. Soon after the crash, social media rumors spread claiming that Tejas had an oil leak during takeoff. However, the Indian Ministry of Defense, the Indian Air Force, and the Tejas Project Office all issued statements saying this was false. The fluid seen under the aircraft earlier was simply condensed water, a common byproduct under specific conditions. So far, no confirmed technical failure has been identified. The Indian Air Force has launched a court of inquiry focusing on the following possibilities. 1. Pilot-induced error. Low-altitude aerobatics give pilots very little recovery time. A misjudged negative G maneuver can cause loss of lift, control reversal effects, spatial disorientation. Investigators will assess if the maneuver exceeded safe limits. 1. Flight control system malfunction. Since Tejas uses advanced fly-by-wire controls, a glitch in the flight computer, sensors, control feedback systems could cause sudden instability. 1. Engine failure. A flameout or thrust drop at low altitude could make recovery impossible. 1. Aerodynamic stall. During maneuver, a high angle of attack combined with a low speed segment in the turn can trigger a sudden stall. 1. Environmental factors. Dubai is hot and windy. Sudden wind shear could destabilize a light, high-performance jet. The crash overshadowed Tejas's participation at the Dubai Air Show, a major event for defense diplomacy and export promotion. However, aviation experts cautioned against drawing conclusions too early. Even the best aircraft can crash during air shows. Low-altitude aerobatics always carry risk. This crash is a serious setback, but not a fatal one. History shows that the F-16, Rafale, Eurofighter Typhoon, and even Jas Gripen all suffered crashes during early years, yet went on to become highly successful platforms. India will likely improve software and control algorithms, reassess air show maneuver protocols, strengthen pilot training for displays, enhance cockpit warning systems. The Tejas program remains strategically vital, and this incident will drive further refinement. The crash of the Tejas at the Dubai Air Show is a tragic moment for India and the global aviation community. But aviation history teaches us a clear lesson. Every crash leads to better engineering, safer aircraft, and stronger systems. Our thoughts are with the pilot and his family, and we await the full investigation to understand exactly what happened. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. This is Knowledge Suitcase, bringing you clarity, depth, and research-based insights on global events.